You ever wake up feeling like you hardly slept, even after a full 8 hours? I totally get that. It was this experience that made me curious about the RingConn Gen 2. Spoiler alert, it's more than just a sleek, smart ring. It could genuinely enhance your sleep. I'm not kidding. When this ring arrived at my doorstep, I wasn't too excited. I thought it would be just another smart gadget trying to wow me with fancy graphs and tech jargon. But when I unboxed it, I had to take a moment. There it was, like a cutting-edge relic. A tidy, straightforward user manual, which I actually found helpful. A modern Type-C charging cable, and a neat little carrying case that felt like something out of a science fiction story. Then, the ring. Future silver, super slim, and so light that I actually forgot I was wearing it after just 10 minutes. Honestly, it felt like I was putting on a spy device instead of a sleep tracker. On the first night of wearing it, I didn't have high hopes. I thought, all right, fancy ring, show me what you can do. But when morning came, wow, my phone revealed a surprisingly detailed sleep summary. And it wasn't just, you slept for 6 hours. I'm talking about insights I didn't even realize I needed. Apnea-hypopnea index, oxygen desaturation index, blood oxygen levels, SpO2, heart rate fluctuations throughout the night. It felt like having a sleep lab on my finger, without all the wires and clunky equipment. Here's where it gets wild. Did you know that over 1 billion people are affected by sleep apnea? And 80% are unaware of it. I was stunned. This isn't merely about snoring or restless nights. It's a serious health concern many overlook. While most wearables track your steps or provide vague sleep stage data, this ring is exceptionally precise. It measures your blood oxygen every 2 seconds and monitors your heart rate every 2.5 minutes. With a 90.7% accuracy in identifying sleep apnea, it means business. I didn't even believe I had sleep problems. But after a week of using it, I noticed something was off. My oxygen levels were dropping during sleep, and that realization was a wake-up call. It made me reflect. How long has this been happening? And more importantly, what if I had never found out? This ring didn't just gather information, it revealed aspects about my health I might have missed otherwise. The RingConn Gen 2 isn't just a nifty gadget, it's a silent guardian keeping an eye on your health while you sleep. No screens, no disturbances, no gimmicks. If you value your sleep or have ever woken up feeling drained and wondered why, this could be one of the best health investments you make this year. Let me know in the comments if you want me to dive deeper into the insights it provided, or even compare it to other big brands like Oura or Whoop. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more genuine tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, sleep well, live wisely.